All right, just want to do a quick little video, quick update on progress or lack thereof, maybe. I got the water pump, fan, radiator, and the intake manifold off. Intake manifold slash exhaust manifold. Not super fantastic inside there. I mean, not the worst thing in the world, I guess. The bottom of the valves. That one's open so you can see daylight through it. But still not able to spin this thing over, so kind of crappy. I'm not giving up completely yet. I would like to at least let it sit a couple more days with the marvels in it. It'll move a couple degrees on the crank, which it wouldn't do the first couple days. So I feel like maybe a couple of the pistons have broke free, maybe a couple are still stuck. So I don't know, somehow getting a little bit more movement. Starter, you know, kind of clicks and moves the crank a little bit, but clearly not spinning over like it should. Stuff that came off, you know, one barrel. It's not stuck, it's not, everything moves. So, I mean, it's not like it's sat forever. Oh, yum. Yeah, it's the fuel that's in it. Too bad you can't smell it. That's pretty bad. Pretty bad. But, yeah. Not what I wanted, but I haven't given up yet. But, I mean, a couple more days, if this thing don't get unstuck, I don't know if it's worth, you know, trying to pull it out, put it on stand, break it down, knock the pistons out, hone it, re-ring it, bearing it, and then you got, you know, a 95 horse straight six in the long run. I don't know. I'll still think about it, figure out what I want to do. I figured give it the old college try to get this thing freed up, because I like the idea of keeping the original 4-speed and flathead straight six. I mean, it's not as cool as the flathead V8, but I think it had a little more torque, if I remember correctly, but I may be wrong. Cool little fuel pump, a little sediment bowl. And it does have a PTO. So this thing definitely had a dump box on it. Cable drive, PTO, I'm assuming it ran a shaft back by the bed, which ran a little hydraulic pump that dumped the bed. So that's nice, at least having a little auxiliary. Maybe down the road, hook a hydraulic or an air pump up to it, something like that. This is the inside of the water pump. Yum. The bearings don't feel bad, but when you spin it, it's got a little cruddy noise, but I don't know if that's just because of all the gunk packed up in here. But I mean, obviously, if I can get a reman, I'll get a reman, but that's all dependent if this stupid thing will spin or not. And then even if it does spin, you know, condition of the cylinders after it spins over a few times. I don't know. Give me drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. What would be the best? Keep trying to save this, or swap it for a 302, or got my wife's cousin offering me a 429. I don't know if I'd go that route or what, but let me know what you guys think. Thanks.